We are having a rampage today about clearing the energy of debt, guilt, and shame. Very often when we have debt and we don't understand the vehicle of debt and how it actually can benefit us, we've been programmed to believe that it is something bad and we should feel guilt and shame around that topic, obviously, which is not true. So we are tuning in this rampage. Welcome to the podcast Manifesting Big Money Fast. My name is Jeanine Hurd. I am so excited that you found this podcast or that you're tuning in to another episode. This podcast is all about manifestation, big money, energetics, spirituality, how it's all connected, and most importantly, how you can increase your bank account right now. So let's dive in today's episode. I release all debts with ease and grace. I forgive myself for any financial mistakes I've made. I am worthy of financial abundance and prosperity. I let go of any guilt or shame associated with my financial situation. I trust that I am supported by the universe in resolving my debts. My financial challenges are temporary, and I'm moving towards financial freedom. I release any negative beliefs about money and replace them with empowering thoughts. I am beyond grateful for the lessons I've learned from my past financial experiences. I am worthy of experiencing financial abundance in all areas of my life. I'm capable of creating a positive and abundant financial future for myself. I release any attachment to lack and scarcity and embrace abundance. I am in control of my finances, and I make wise and responsible decisions. I release any fear or anxiety about my financial situation and trust that everything is working out for my highest good. I let go of any shame associated with asking for help or seeking support. I deserve to live a life free from financial stress and worry. I release any self-judgment about my financial situation and accept myself unconditionally. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life effortlessly. I am open to receiving unexpected blessings and opportunities to improve my financial situation. I release any resistance to abundance and welcome prosperity into my life. I am worthy of receiving help and support from others as I work towards financial freedom. I release any attachment to past financial mistakes and focus on creating a brighter future. I trust that the universe is guiding me towards a path of financial abundance and prosperity. I am worthy of experiencing financial success and fulfillment. I release any feelings of unworthiness around money. I forgive myself for any past financial decisions that didn't serve me. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow from my financial challenges. You've just listened to the first 4 minutes of the VIP version of the podcast. By becoming a VIP member, you can listen to 3 episodes per week. You will receive early bird access to the Monday episode, so you already can listen on Sunday. And if that doesn't sound great enough yet, I've got one more. Why you should become a podcast VIP member. I'm answering every week a listener's question in the podcast. So if you have a question, drop it in the Q&A thread and receive the answer in the podcast. Can't wait to see you. Simply click on the link in the show notes or go to courses.richandhappiness.com to become a VIP member.